Here's the Moshulu, guys. Check it out. Beautiful ship. This boat is huge.
Hey guys, man, check out man.
Hey guys, we're here at the Moshulu, and it's at Penn's Landing on the Delaware River, and it's the biggest four-post ship in the world that's still operable. It's historical all over the world. It's gone delivering all kinds of different things. It's been Australia, it's been Africa, and all over, guys. And it's the only restaurant, floating restaurant that's still in existence, that's still operable.
In the whole world?
In the whole world.
Wow.
And it's the biggest ship too.
Yeah.
The one with the four posts.
Yeah.
It was built in 1904 and it was built in the Ireland yards. So it has a pretty good history.
Yeah, guys.
We're going to head on in just a moment. We're going to go down in the main part of the inside of the boat. We're going to have dinner there, and then later on we're going to go on to the top deck.
And the bar.
Yeah.
And the bar, right, man?
The bar, yeah.
The bar on the deck.
Yeah, we're going to check it out. We don't drink alcohol, but we'll have some soda or something.
Yeah, guys.
Make sure you dress nice to come here.
Yeah, guys, you gotta have like a collar, shirt with a collar or something.
Nice little outfit.
Yeah, guys. You can have shorts, but they gotta be nice.
And we got a tugboat over here, guys. Check it out. Very cool. And there's the tour going on there. Very nice. And we go a little bit further up front here. And that's the SS New Jersey, guys.
You want me to do it?
Yeah, okay. Well, here it is, guys. The submarine and the battleship.
Hey, man. That thing went completely underwater, huh?
Oh,
it
yeah.
was completely submerged.
Yeah, it's hard to believe,
That's
man.
why it's called a submarine, man.
Yeah.
It's not a sandwich you eat, man.
Yeah.
It's a submarine that goes under the water.
Yeah. And part of the boardwalk goes down that way, guys.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
And there's a walkway on the other side that you can go down to, guys. So you can see the ship from both sides. That's part of the running path that they have here.
Yo, man.
Yeah.
We should run a houseboat, man. Yeah, man, we should run a houseboat.
Oh, yeah.
And then we could have a houseboat party.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
House party, guys.
Yeah.
On a houseboat. All right, guys, man, let's all aboard on the shoot.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All aboard.
All aboard. Yeah,
All right, we're going to head on in, guys.
yeah, guys.
Get some good food here.
Come with us, guys.
Yeah. It's beautiful. Beautiful area. And I'm just walking along the whole edge. It's beautiful here, guys. Look how big this ship is. Some of the menus here. This one here goes into the dining area downstairs, and this one over here goes to the upstairs. deck. And this goes to the deck. This thing is huge, guys. And there's the end of it. And you have cruise, city cruises here. And there's the Spirit of Philadelphia cruise. And over to the right, there's a stand where you can get tickets. And that is so big, guys. Huge, beautiful here. Unbelievable.
Hey guys, man, check it out. We're here at Moshulu, guys, Delaware, Penn's Landing. Yeah, check it out. It's a floating restaurant, right, man?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It is awesome, guys. It is huge. Can't wait to get on there and check it all out for you guys. Right, Shaven?
Yeah, man. I'm psyched, man.
And you can see the battleships in the background and the submarine too, guys.
Yeah, man.
Very cool.
Pretty cool, guys.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, we're about to head on in, man. Follow me.
Yeah, check it out.
Yeah, I'll follow up.
All right, here
All
we
aboard, man.
all aboard. Here we go, guys.
Yeah. Welcome aboard.
And here's the Moshulu. Welcome aboard. Please watch your step. There you go. Yeah, I got it. Check it out. Woo-wee. Yeah.
Alright, guys, man, check it out. Welcome aboard, man.
Welcome
Moshulu.
aboard, guys.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah, it is. All right, we're gonna head on in, guys. Check it out, guys. Moshulu. Very cool. All the boats. And you got the sun coming in, guys. Very cool.
Yeah, guys, man. Check that out, man.
Sweet, I was trying to
Yeah, very nice. Here we go. It's like the Titanic. Wow.
Alright, guys, man, we're on the foyer. Yeah.
Yeah.
Foyer, guys.
You're in the foyer, guys. Looks like the Titanic a little bit.
Yeah, man.
Look at this. Wow. That's insane.
It's hard to believe you're on a boat.
Look at the ceilings,
Look at
guys.
there, man.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
That's the banquet room, guys.
Yo, man. This is my friend.
Yeah.
Check him out. It's my friend.
Very cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. And here's the bar area, guys. They got everything in here. Very cool. Very cool, Tim. And here's the rest of the panorama, guys. Very cool.
Alright, guys, man, check out, man.
Yeah, guys, we're in the bar room. It's beautiful here. Feels like we're on the
Titanic.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
guys.
be sure you guys call and get your
Reservation.
reservations, guys.
RSVP.
Yeah, there'll be a line a mile long out here.
Yeah, guys.
So we're going up to the checkout right now. There's the wine here, guys. Check it out. Unbelievable. Dragon stairs. Thank you.
How are we doing today, y'all?
Doing good.
Good, yeah. Can I have you all the way down here, okay?
Okay, it's beautiful, guys.
Yeah, you should. And then right here, what do we think?
Let me see here. Yeah, it's very crowded here, guys, as you can see. Check it out. And there's the reserve room. Very cool. Okay, guys, we got ourselves a nice little seat here next to the waterfront. Right, Shaman? Looks great. You got a window seat. Very nice in here. Very big. It's huge. Very beautiful. So now we're going to order, guys. Welcome to the Moshulu restaurant. We're down here in the main restaurant area. After we eat here, we're going to go upstairs. Right, Sam?
Yeah, man.
We're going to go all the way up.
Yeah, man. On the deck, man. We're going to go to the bar up there.
Yeah, on the deck and on the bar.
Yeah, man.
It's very beautiful in here, guys.
Yeah, it's really awesome, guys.
We'll probably have you
Hey,
sit.
guys, man.
Check that out, guys. Beautiful. And then the chairs are all done with faces on it. Very cool. Very beautiful here. Okay, and then the restrooms are over here as soon as you turn the corner, guys. Okay. There's Shaman, guys. Some ice cold water.
Ice cold, man.
Yeah. That's water on the rocks, yeah? Yeah.
All right, guys, check that out.
Yeah, I love this place, guys.
Check out the decorations, guys. And look at the chairs with the faces. Pretty cool, right, man?
Yeah, absolutely. Okay. Shaman, go ahead and order.
I didn't mention the specials. We have 3 specials today. Venezuelan succulent currently with our roasted tomatoes and finished with a creamy pepper creamy sauce. A little bit of grana padano cheese.
Okay.
For the seafood of the day, should be some scallops. This will be 5 scallops per order, seared in the oven. Served over a corn puree as well as snap peas and finished with bacon crumble all over garnishing. The steak of the day will be a 12 ounces boneless ribeye. This will be seared in the oven as well as served with a side of heirloom tomato salad on a 30-year-old aged balsamic. But yes, chicken.
Yeah. Bring out 2 plates, and that's the roasted half chicken, guys, with fava bean, pesto, mushroom, asparagus, brown butter, vinaigrette, and sherry vinegar adjust. And it goes for about $33 here. Alrighty, guys. So we're ready.
Check it out, guys. That's what the water looks like. We're right here. This is the window right here, guys. Check it out. That's right out the window, man. Yeah, man, pretty cool, huh? Check it out. Let me go ahead. Check it out, guys.
Potatoes. Very snow potatoes with no.
There you go, guys. Check it out.
And you bring them both to me.
I'm at 3.
It's a good pound and a half of chicken right there, guys.
Alright, then you got your sauce, right, man?
Yeah, then you got your sauce, and it's also dredged in on a bed of fava beans. Check it out, guys. That's the chicken. Isn't that awesome? And it's on fava beans. Check it out, and the sauce. That's awesome looking, guys. There we go, guys. There we go, guys. Check it out. Beautiful scenery here.
Yo, man, my mouth is watering, man. I'm hungry.
Yeah, you are.
I'm really watering.
Check it out, guys. Wow, the presentation is awesome, guys. Can't wait to sink our teeth into it. We're going to split that up, guys. All right. Alright guys, I'm going to cut it open. Look at that. Look at that chicken. And all that down here.
I don't know where, but it's over. It was so
Very moist, very tender. Yeah, these taste very good. Put a little sauce on. I highly recommend this dinner and this Moshulu boat diner. It's excellent, guys. The dinner is like unbelievable. It's so moist, well done. The sauces and all the other vegetables that come with it. It's absolutely perfect.